possible for us to make pancakes in the Ninja Foodi? Let's find out. I've got 200 millilitres of milk in here, and to that I want to add 250 grams of plain flour. So let's get that in. But into there also I want some sugar, 2 tablespoons. I'm just using some caster sugar here. We don't want a lot of salt, but I just think it just balances it nicely, just like a little pinch like that. That should do the job. And then I want some baking powder, and I need 2 teaspoons of that. So let's measure 2 teaspoons of baking powder out as well. All right, let's take that off the scales. Got a couple of eggs there to add in as well. Let's just start stirring this in slowly. Should really have put the eggs in with the milk, but never mind. So 2 eggs. 1, 2. Leave me a comment and let me know. Oh, there's a tiny bit of shell there. Leave me a comment and let me know what you like on your pancakes. And do you like yours more like crepes or sort of like fluffy American style? Let me know what your favourite is. I've also got some butter here as well, and we're going to use some butter, and that's going to allow us to grease the Ninja and hopefully stop this from sticking. Okay, so we've got this onto sear and saute. I think level 3 is probably going to be high enough, but not too high. It might be a little bit of trial and error. So let's grab some butter and put some butter into the bottom here. And let's do our first one. So the same sort of method as I would normally do if I was cooking these on the hob. Wait to see lots of air bubbles before you even attempt to flip it. Don't know how long it's going to take, whether it's going to work or not, but we will find out. Let's flip that over. Made a little bit of a mess of that one, but it's mainly cooked on that one side. So this second side shouldn't take very long at all. I'm now on to my very last one, and I feel like I've now got the hang of it. And actually, these are working pretty well in the Ninja. I would just say do one at a time would be my preference anyway. I find it a little bit easier to do it like that. And these are coming out really fluffy. The key thing is to wait long enough before you flip it, because then it's really nice and firm. You flip it and it doesn't take very much longer on the other side. So a little bit of practice was needed, but if I'm honest, I've never been the best at making pancakes anyway. But yeah, these are good. I'm really pleased with these. I think you definitely should give them a go. And that batch has made 6 very large pancakes, so that's brilliant.